when you're doing your homework is going to have your numbers already separated for you in tens and ones. But on this paper that we're going to do in class together, we're going to separate it tens and ones and just draw our line right down the middle like Miss Dow just did. So I hopefully going to be able to did it right the first time. All right, so let's look at this. 32 plus 22. So I've got to make 32 plus 22 and figure out what it equals. So the first thing I want to do is I want to divide it down the middle between the tens and the ones, and I want to put a T at the top of my tens and an O on top of my ones. Follow that and do the same exact thing as Miss Dow. Put a line down the middle so you'll know to always start on the right first and add your ones, and then you'll go to the left to add your tens. Yes, Millie, what's your question?
Do we put our name on the paper?
Yes, your name should always be at the top of your paper and your number. Thank you for asking. All right, so I want you to build this number. Let's build 32. So we've got tens and ones. Write a T and an O on your desk with your dry erase marker. Write a T and an O on your desk with your dry erase marker.
With a line down the middle.
And with a line right down the middle. Do it just like Miss Dow's paper. All right, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to build 32. 32. Use your 10 rods to build 32. Use your 10 rods to build 32. How are you going to build 32? Let me see you build 32. Use your 10 rods and build 32. Which one goes on the 10 and which one goes on the ones? So 3 goes on the 10s, 2 goes on the ones. So what should your 10 rods look like? How many 10 rods should you have, Willow? 3 10 rods. And how many ones should you have, Abel? 2. All right. And it's telling us to add 22. So our next number is 22. So with our 10 rods, look here, they're both the same. So we put 2 10 rods and 2 ones. Put that below your 32. So put that under your 32.
What under 32?
So if my paper looks like this, or my desk looks like this, I'm going to have 3 10 rods and 2 ones. And then right underneath that, with your 10 rods, where are your rods, Meredith? Your blue rods. And then right underneath that, I'm going to have 2 10 rods for 22, and then 2 ones. Now we can start with our ones. How many do we have in our ones? Let's count the ones that we have. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does 2 plus 2 equal 4?
Yes.
Yes. Wowzy. All right, now let's look at our 10 rods. And if it's a 10 rod, what do we count by? Sadie, if it's a 10 rod, what do we count by? 10s. All right, let's count and see what this equals. 10, 20, I can't hear you. 30, 40, 50. Does 3 plus 5 equal 2?
Yes.
Yes. So we have 54. So let's see. The ones, we have 4 ones, and the 10s, we have 5 10s. So we have 52 for our answer. All right, let's try the next one. Put your 10 rods back up at the top and your ones back at the top. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, you may erase. 4,
Our desk?
3, 2, 1. All right, let's see if we can figure out this next problem. What's our first thing that we're going to do with our word or our number sentence? Jude, what will we do on this paper first? build it. All right. For 55, I've got 5 tens, and how many ones do I have, Millie? My number's 55. 5. All right. 5 tens, 5 ones. Now I want you to build it with your towers. Show me 5 tens and 5 ones with your towers. Build it for Miss Dow. Yes, Sadie. Okay. All right, so how many 10 towers will I have, Miller? On my tens for that 55.
5.
5. And how many ones will I have?
5.
Very good. 3, 4. Let's see if I can get right here. 5. And then 5 ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. What's my next number that I'm going to figure out, Forrest? What am I adding to 55? I'm on problem 2. 55. What am I adding to it?
4.
What am I adding to 55? What's that whole number?
42.
42. All right. So which number goes in my ones, Forrest? For 42. Forrest up here. Which one is my ones for 42? 2. All right. And which one is my tens? For 42.
It is
Look at this, baby.
40.
Right. 4 tens and 2 ones. Now build it over here. Build it on your desk. Show me 4 tens and 2 ones. 4 tens and 2 ones. With your, where's your 10 rods? I need 4 tens and 2 ones added to that, Meredith. 4 tens and 2 ones. So you should have 5 tens and 5 ones. And then right below that you should have 4 tens. And then how many ones should I have added to that? 2. Very good, Abel. All right, I'm coming around to see if yours looks like mine. Did you have 5 tens, 5 ones, 4 tens, and 2 ones? 5 tens with your 2. There you go. All right. Where's your 2? You don't have yours right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 2. There you go. Good. 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 Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. Now let's count it all together. Let's see. Let's do our ones first. Let's see how many ones we have. Let's count. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Does 5 plus 2 equal 7? Put 5 in your head and count up 5, 6, 7. Yes. All right, now let's look at our 10 rods. I need to hear you. Count it loudly with me. Count by 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Oh, does 5 plus 4 equal 9? Put 5 in your head and count up. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So what this problem is saying is 55 plus 42 equals 97. All right, I want you to work on the rest of the problems by yourself. Miss Dow is going to come by, but always, always make sure that you split it down the middle and you put your 10s and your 1s and you add on the right first and then add the left second. So go ahead and go.